What's good, people? It's 2025, and believe it or not, people still do not know how to apply a fragrance. But I'm going to teach you how, because there's no instructions on this damn thing, and it is extremely complicated. There are people walking around blind right now because nobody taught them how to apply a fragrance. There are people with no sense of taste because they've accidentally sprayed it in their mouth. But with the fame and the glory of being a big-time fragrance influencer, also comes the responsibility of teaching you how to apply a fragrance. I'm going to solve all these problems for you right now. How to apply a fragrance is probably one of the most popular videos on YouTube from various content creators. And I can't quite decipher if they're stupid or they just think you are, because it's pretty self-explanatory, isn't it? You take the cap off and you push the little button. You don't spray it over there, you spray it over here. Over here. And if they made content telling you the truth, their video would last 30 seconds. You'd call it clickbait. You already know how to apply a fragrance, but they're trying to come up with these scientific explanations and hacks and all this other nonsense to make themselves look smarter than they are. And most of them, to be honest with you, are either delusional or just have low IQs. But here's the truth about how to apply a fragrance and why their content is a bunch of nonsense. One of the things they'll tell you is you have to spray on your pulse points. You know, that blood going through, that's going to carry the fragrance out. That's going to generate heat and push that fragrance out. Well, that's actually not true. How many times have you went to the doctor and he said, give me your wrist, let me take your temperature? If the blood flowing and the heat from your wrist is what pushes out the fragrance, well, I have a thermometer here and 96.7. It actually generates less heat than most places on your body. So where do these doctors take the temperature? Well, they take them on your forehead. 97.8. They take them under your arm. If you're a baby or an animal, they take it right up your bum bum. So if you want to follow their logic, you can spray it on your forehead, you can spray under your arm, or right up your butt. Pretty sure you guys don't want anything up there. Some of you.
Bruh.
So where can we spray where we generate some heat and actually push that fragrance out? 98.7. You can spray, the places you're probably already spraying, like your neck or your chest. You already know how to apply a fragrance. And hopefully this will be the last time you ever click on a stupid how to apply a fragrance video. Because after hundreds of years of wearing fragrances, the best thing fragrance influencers could come up with is a bunch of bull.